Hey, it's Raj. We're so happy to announce that the 4Ps of Content Cohort 2 is taking place on the 9th, 10th, and 11th of July in the evening, 7 till 10 p.m. in Dubai, 4 till 7 p.m. in London. I'm really hyped about this one. As you know, we launched it last month. We had an incredible set of students on there, 16 students, everywhere from Vancouver to Melbourne and a whole bunch in London and the UAE. We taught the 4Ps of content, as you know, that's plan, produce, publish, and promote. That's the internal framework that we use inside our organization to onboard clients, to teach our staff how to put together really successful content strategies, campaigns for social media, and so much more. If you're interested, all the details are below, but just at a very high level. The course takes place, as I mentioned, from 7 till 10 on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, which is kind of like the UAE weekend. But on Friday day and on Saturday day, you'll also get to do some tailored assignments. Now, everything that you produce on this course, you'll be able to use immediately after. And the reason is that we keep the foundation of what we teach almost complete, but we leave a little bit so that we can tailor the learning around you. So there will be some one-on-one feedback sessions, and of course, all the things that we've spoken about before on this course, which is you're going to produce 2 podcasts, one where you're interviewing somebody and one where you're being interviewed. So between the assignments and all these kind of creative things that you do on the course and all the fun and interaction, everything you produce, you'll be able to use. Everything we teach is based on 100% real case studies that our agency has done. We've not gone around the internet collecting a bunch of theory. We're going to reverse engineer really successful campaigns that we've done for our clients. And many of you know the case studies that we've generated as an agency. And of course, some of you are also familiar with our own brands like OPP or My Friends, Your Friends. So everything that we teach is very, very native, and I can't wait to share it with you. The details are below. Oh, and finally, there is a buddy ticket as well. So we got some feedback on the last session that would it be okay if people brought along their partners or loved ones or their support network or somebody who they work with inside their organization. Absolutely. If you bring 2 to 5 people on the course, you'll get a slightly better rate, which means that in between sessions and after the session, you've got somebody who learnt it alongside with you, and you've got somebody you can bounce ideas off. So I'm really excited to have you on the course. The details are below. Click the link, you'll head over to Eventbrite, drop your details in there, and we will see you on the 9th, 10th, and 11th. I'm really, really excited. The first one was a lot of fun. We're so proud of the work that we've done. Limited spaces, of course, because we want to make sure that we give everybody the right amount of time and attention. But sign up right now, and we can't wait to see you on there.